Birds in the air.
Footsteps this way.
Visual on the monster. It's about, I don't know, hard to gauge out here. It's far.
Going caves.
Trap out.
Watch those poison dogs, watch out.
Monster trap.
Fire! Move! Bring the Goliath down! Ah! Bullseye!
I'm on you, support. Drink good ready.
No! It moved! Did you see it? God! Numbers of pain! I have wounded you, beast!
Got it! On first aid duty! Trap worked! Trank dart in! Monster pissed and slow.
Shield bullet charge!
Damage, 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 maximum damage.
No weak spot!
Target hit!
Oof. God, I love Val when she works. Oh, so much
I have
healing.
no wish to fight.
Oh
I
my,
assume
Alex.
This is the weather control tower.
Don't get too excited.
Yeah, they're expensive as shit, but you need them out here where you got all these transuranics right near the surface.
Okay, well, I'm sure that would make sense if I had any idea what you were talking about. Trank dart in!
Hey Sledge, throw a ping at when you're gonna corner yourself in a barrage. That way I can put some mortars on the spot too.
Alright.
Engaging monster! Fire! Trap ready.
Miss! Blasted!
Stand back! On first aid duty! Bam!
Need shields.
Got it!
Big gun still charged.
Aiming for Alex.
Bullseye! It's drugged.
Target hit!
Dome ready.
Don't do.
Boom! Take that off. Trap ready.
Monster domed.
Technology
You said this
to
was
the
a good
rescue.
monster sledge? What's
How's
going
everyone
on?
feel? Trank dart in!
He is good, but his best is Gorgon.
I now see it. Yeah, okay.
Hunter down.
Oh, crud.
Broke the trap! I need help! I'm right here!
Fellas, Daisy ain't gonna get me up. You can let me respawn, it's fine. Let me just respawn, let me respawn, that's fine.
Reinforcements inbound.
I'm respawning, goodbye. Oh, poof, just in time.
I have it! Off in the distance!
Mags, how'd you end up with the pet trap jaw anyway? You never been to Shear before?
Vader on Winter Station. Sheer exports a lot of wildlife.
I think I've only defeated his
She's
Gorgon
worth her
once.
weight in gold, the way she zeroes in on the monster like that.
This isn't the first time we've hunted monsters.
Eh, I can't really remember fighting his Meteor Goliath, to be honest.
Okay, it's bigger. This is getting
Like a jump height or something.
Yeah, I think I got that on video IP. I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Trap down!
I'm gonna hang back this time.
Alright, he's heading south.
Fire! Move!
Die! Here!
God fucking, he knows, man, he knows so well.
down.
I am fine
Ugh.
for now.
He knows so well that I'm avoiding him, and then he goes for you. It's, ugh.
I have visual on the monster. Trank dart in!
This won't be a bad dome if we can get it here.
Monster
Oh,
dome.
I was hoping to get this pillar. I'm gonna stay out a little bit.
Here it comes!
Yes, you got it.
Daisy, go bite him.
Harpoon traps ready.
Ooh.
I'm on the trank gun.
Switching to shield!
Trank dart in!
Shield doesn't get blown!
Shield the beast! Fire! Back away! Bullseye! You're healed up, support!
No more shield! Time to kill it!
Traps ready. Stand by.
Your armor is gone, creature! What will you do now?
Okay, on the trank gun.
Hunter
Hey.
down.
Hey! Hey, don't forget about your old buddy Hank.
It's drugged! Boom! Shake that off.
Blitzer!
Let's get jump and then make our way to damage.
Jump's gone, he ate it.
Great.
Yep. Oh, never mind. No, never mind.
He will be going to damage.
Yep, he's a damage alright.
Yeah, he's already there.
There it is. Out of range, but at least we know where it is.
Plenty of counterplay, isn't there?
Goliath!
I can't deny it.
Putting down a trap.
Let's do him before he
Ready.
gets stage 3 again. Yep.
Monster domed.
Fire! Take cover! See? Fire on those targets!
Like that. It got out.
Who needs a shield?
Ha! Bullseye!
Hang on. Switching to trank darts.
Shield use is running out! Time for some pain!
Technology to the rescue. How's everyone feel? On first aid duty. I'm on you. Keep fighting.
We lost
Oh!
Hunter return.
Plenty of counterplay.
It's alright, there's still a chance here.
Dome coming down.
Oh wow.
I'm on the trank gun.
Wonder how many points he's gotten rocked.
Target team. I need help.
That damage.
Considering
pull
he
back.
has yet to miss a rock again. Seems to be normal for Monster Mans to not miss a single ability.
Good effort back there.
The monster has evolved.
We still outnumbered 5 to 1.
The relay is vulnerable.
That perks
Get
bait,
in range.
so obviously.
There, in the distance. It's not hiding.
Careful, Alex. I think he's gonna go for you.
Crank in. This planet is not yours.
Relay shield activated.
Whoa!
Yeah. No. I should have dodged this match. That's pissing me off. That's pissing me off beyond reason.
Wounded, you beast!
Trinket!
That shouldn't have been that much damage.
Chest dead! Watch out!
Hunter down.
Big gun's still charging.
Fire! Take cover!
Check your contactor plate, people! No armor!
Now Valerie is gone.
Hunter returned to the
Died
dropship.
bravely.
Like that! Traps ready!
Miss! Blasted!
Hunter returned to the dropship.
Traps dead! Watch out!
Yeah. It was like you were totally blocked by that pillar. You shouldn't have taken that kind of damage. But you know, evolve.
Hunter down.
But you know, monster mains who know stuff like that, who know little tricks like that.
Ah, we did pretty good in this fight though.
Nah, I should have dodged it. I'm pissed off.
Ooh. Ah.
Hunter down.